Hidden far from public farmland, beyond mapped agricultural regions, lies an experimental agricultural zone, originally designed for advanced crop testing, soil enhancement research, climate adaptation systems. It was built to redefine how farming works: controlled environments, engineered growth cycles, precision-managed ecosystems. Everything about the facility was structured for one purpose: to control nature. Then suddenly, it was abandoned. No shutdown announcement, no evacuation report, no final documentation, just silence. When investigators first arrived, they expected decay. Dead crops, collapsed systems, empty land. Instead, they found activity. Irrigation systems were still running, water flowing through channels with perfect timing, power systems partially active, lights flickering inside distant structures, and in the fields. Crops were still growing, but something was wrong. Growth patterns didn't match any known agricultural model. Some plants had grown far beyond expected size. Others formed in perfect symmetry, rows that were too precise, too consistent, as if controlled by something beyond standard programming. Soil samples were collected. Analysis showed irregular nutrient distribution. Not random, not natural, but also not explainable by known methods. Inside the laboratory buildings, research data was found, or what remained of it. Most files were corrupted, incomplete, fragments of experiments without conclusions, as if the final results had been removed. Deliberately, then investigators reached the restricted section. Sealed storage units, marked as biological trials, but there were no proper records, no inventory lists, no experiment logs, only labels and silence. Whatever had been stored there was never meant to be found again. As night approached, the facility changed. Local reports had mentioned it, but now it was visible. Strange lights appeared over the fields, not random, moving slowly, hovering above specific crop zones, then disappearing. Moments later, movement was detected. Between the crop rows, no clear shape, no confirmed source, but something was there, moving, navigating the fields, as if interacting with them. Sensors placed around the area began recording anomalies. Humidity levels increased unexpectedly. Even in dry conditions, localized, controlled, temperature shifts followed no natural pattern, as if the environment itself was being adjusted. One of the most concerning discoveries came from system analysis. The irrigation network wasn't just active, it was adapting. Water distribution changed without input, adjusting flow rates, redirecting channels, responding to crop conditions in real time. But no central control system was online. No human input, no remote access. Which meant one thing: the system was operating on its own, or something was operating it. Further investigation attempts were limited. Equipment began malfunctioning. Signals weakened. Communication became unreliable. Teams reported disorientation when moving deeper into the fields. Paths that should have been straight felt altered. Landmarks appeared different, as if the environment wasn't static, as if it was responding. Eventually, the investigation was halted. The site was sealed again. Access restricted, no official explanation released. But monitoring equipment placed at a distance continues to detect activity. The crops are still growing. The systems are still running. The anomalies are still present, unchanged, uninterrupted. Which leads to one final question. Was this a failed agricultural experiment, or a system that evolved beyond its intended purpose? Because whatever is operating in that zone now isn't just growing crops. It's maintaining something that never needed humans to stay. Tell me your theory in the comments. Subscribe to Dark Creatures 5-1, watch more long videos, and check the community quiz. Because sometimes, when systems are designed to control nature, they don't stop when humans leave. They continue. On their own,